Across East and Central Africa, Catholic sisters have dedicated their lives to serving humanity, caring for the sick, educating communities, and creating opportunities for the marginalized. However, as times change, sisters face new challenges. In 2021, a baseline survey commissioned by the Conrad N. Hilton Foundation revealed that Catholic sisters are faced with many obstacles in their ministries. These findings led Strathmore University Business School to partner with the Association of Consecrated Women in Eastern and Central Africa, AQUECA, to develop a comprehensive solution, the Sisters Blended Value Project, Sbvp. Its mission? To empower consecrated women with the skills, networks, and resources needed to build sustainable social enterprises and transform their communities.
The Sisters Blended Value Project started around the COVID time with a baseline survey. Through that process, we also, of course, by talking to them, learned that they also have ideas on how some of these challenges that they face can be resolved.
The baseline survey that we conducted before we started the project covered 3 countries that aimed to understand the sisters' work as far as income generating is concerned. And we came up with issues that were a key focus. We grouped them into 4. Some of them were based around capacity building, which is about their ability to understand how to run, manage, and sustain a social enterprise, a business essentially.
Key to the success of this phase has been, first, the support in funding from the Conrad N. Hilton Foundation. A lot of these things would not have been possible if we had not received this funding, and also their guidance. We have also partnered with AQUECA. AQUECA is the Association of Consecrated Women in East and Central Africa. We have worked very much collaboratively with them.
At AQUECA, what we do, we mainly build the capacity of sisters to be able to have more impact in the society as they go about their ministries. So in this, we are also having the Sisters Blended Value Project, which is helping the sisters to transform the ministries that they have always been doing, mainly in a charity mode, but now they are transforming them into social enterprises with more social impact.
Sbvp is built on 4 strategic pillars, each designed to address a specific need. The first pillar, capacity building, focuses on developing capacities for the sisters in leadership and governance, financial, coaching, mentorship, succession, grants, and project management.
The methodology that we used to implement these particular programs, we used lectures, but these lectures have been embedded in the use of case studies. When we are doing the training, we ensure that at least we have brought the local faculty to come and take sisters through the different areas of capacity building. And so during the training, the sisters were given a project to work on. And this project, they were supposed to present before they graduate. And so this is now where we brought in the coaches.
Coaching generally is a very important aspect of learning. All our sisters have gone through several sessions of coaching. We've got very capable coaches who've helped them walk the journey and produce a document that they can refer to at a later time to say, this is what I learned, this is what I hope to do with it in the future.
I used not to believe that I could do even fundraising and be successful in it, or even think of a very big enterprise like this. In fact, for us, the sisters, it was a joke. It was a good dream. But when we finished the program, we talked to our leaders and said, look at this thing. We have learned how to do this thing. We can implement this thing. Just give us a go ahead and believe in us. And hence, if we tell you that 3 months we have finished this building, it's just a miracle. It's not even a dream come true. It's a miracle. And my coach, Dr. Helen, God bless her. Even it reached a point she had traveled, and I called her. I told her, Dr. Helen, I think I'm giving up here. She said, Sister Yvonne, put all those things into practice. Talk to your leaders. Do everything we have said and hope on God. And that's what we did.
The second pillar is research. This pillar focuses on helping the sisters conduct research, design, develop, and incorporate innovative social entrepreneurship models, and generate case studies that provide insights to inform best practices in managing sustainable social ministries and enterprises in collaboration with key stakeholders.
So in this Sisters Blended Value project, we've been able to produce a total of 43 research outputs. And these 43 research outputs are spread across research papers that are to be published in various journals. We've also been able to document a total of 13 white papers and technical papers. And these are knowledge kind of publications that are meant to convey the various insights we've also gotten in our engagement in this Sisters Blended Value project.
The third pillar, collaborative networks, provides sisters with a platform to connect through conferences, webinars, communities of practice, partnerships, and alumni engagements to widen their reach and expand access to learning opportunities.
Our collaborative network pillar is very critical in Sbvp program. In fact, in every module, the sisters, we could take them to a company visit. We kind of shortlist social enterprise that is in line more or less with majority of the sisters, so that they can learn from those who have been there for some years, and they learn the best practices and also network with the social enterprises and also among themselves.
I am so grateful. It has really helped me to learn more what other people have made. It has made me also to be creative. When I go back to my community, I'll also help others to be more creative, not only to maintain what I have here, but also to tell them what I have seen outside. At the end of the day, we see we can also do this one in this particular way. This one we also arrange in this particular way.
Through the fourth pillar, integrated financial solution, Sbvp provides sisters with access to funds that help sustain and expand their enterprises. The pillar focuses on establishing an integrated financial solution, incubator, accelerator platform that gives Catholic sisters access to funds to aid in further developing their social enterprises.
The Conrad Hilton Foundation has offered support to this sister social enterprise by giving them a seed grant. The sisters are able to either kickstart or scale their social enterprise. So far, 61 congregations across the 4 countries, that is Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and Zambia, have received the seed grant.
So after receiving the grant, we bought some machines that we didn't have before. So we were able to do some more investigations instead of sending the patients to other facilities of which we have been doing, but now we do them here, like the urine analyzer we are doing here, and we are very comfortable with that.
Over the last 3 years, the project has continued to make significant achievements, reflecting the team's commitment to empowering Catholic sisters across different aspects of leading and managing their social enterprises. In addition, the project has remained adaptive, responsive, and with greater transformative power for even more significant impact beyond the implementation period, exhibited through revenue growth, social enterprises process, efficiencies, and an increase in employment opportunities, showcased by various impact stories covered across the target 4 countries.
My experience with the sisters has been extremely pleasant, having worked with non-sisters, so the lay people, and working with the religious. Sisters are a group of very focused people. Sisters are very empathetic. They are constantly talking about their, congregations, their communities, how they can help their community. Sisters, when they say we want to build a primary school, by the time they are living here, after learning about fundraising, and before you know it, a discussion of about a hostel that is costing 100 million plus has begun.
Since we began implementation for this project, we have received immense support. First, from the Strathmore University and the business school leadership, for which we are forever grateful. We also thank the Conrad Hilton Foundation for their support in terms of funding for the last 3 years to ensure that the sisterhood is transformed and that they are able to transform their social ministries into sustainable social enterprises. We are very, very grateful also to our Quaker our implementation partner in this journey, and the national associations in the different countries, from AOSK in Kenya, that is Association of Sisterhoods of Kenya, Zambia Association of Sisterhoods, Association of Religious in Uganda, and Tanzania Catholic Association of Sisterhoods. We really want to say thank you, Zikomo, Wevalenyo, Asanteni sana.